In this lesson, we will see how to perform a graceful switchover for SQL Server databases. So let's choose one database and then start the switchover process. So as you can see, at the end of the switchover, the primary becomes a standby and the standby becomes a primary. So the database residing in NZSQL2 will become the primary. The database EMP on NZSQL1 will become the standby, and the reverse synchronization will start to happen. There is also an option for executing scripts once the switchover is completed. These scripts can be used for application redirection or starting some other components or starting new jobs. Anything that is completely relevant for your own application needs, you can do that. For example, you could stop all the jobs on your current production so that it becomes a standby, right? So you can change or re-enable all the jobs on the standby side as well. So let's start the switchover process. So, so what happens during the switchover process is first the automatic standby update will be disabled and the observer will be disabled. And what happens is we take a transaction log backup of the database with no recovery mode. That puts the production database in recovery mode, and then the transaction log backup is transferred and it is recovered there, and then the database is put into online, and then what happens, the reverse synchronization starts to happen as well. So as you can see, the primary database is now in NZSQL2 and the standby database is in NZSQL1. Once that happens, the first thing that we do is it immediately initiates the transaction log backup on the new production, transfers the transaction log backup from primary to standby, and restore that on the standby. Once that's done, it will enable the automated standby update with the previous settings and also enable the observer components. This graceful switchover process can also be performed for multiple databases at the same time. So I can choose these two databases, open, and then I can also perform a graceful switchover directly for multiple databases. Thank you.